The Bugatti is a masterpiece of the early 90s. This is chassis 071, a jewel from the Kuwaiti Emir's collection, dormant for 17 years. A sleeping beauty with barely 7,000 kilometers on her odometer, and spec'd in striking Indian red, with grey leather interior. In February 2024, we embarked on what many deemed impossible, a complete restoration from the bare chassis. As we peeled away her layers, we uncovered the ravages of time. The driving train, a shadow of its former glory, the plastics and rubbers, mere ghosts of their original form. Every component, every bolt, every wire have been scrutinized, cleaned, restored. This wasn't just a restoration, it was a meticulous rebirth. Late June saw the return of her reborn skeleton, but the real test was yet to come. On July the 9th, with just 1 month until her debut at the Quail, we began the ultimate challenge. A race against time, fitting each lovingly restored sub-assembly into its rightful place. And then, the moment of truth. After 17 years of silence, would this mechanical marvel find its voice once more? How would it drive? We first took it out without body panels for a quick assertion, but it performed beautifully. It was now ready to receive the body panels, and we completed the build just a week before heading to California. We achieved a full restoration in just 6 months, a fantastic project very different to the classic race cars we're used to work on, but the Bugatti was definitely worth it, the most advanced supercar of its time.